In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively refresh Microsoft Teams across different devices and scenarios to ensure everything runs smoothly and correctly. Let's dive right in and explore the various methods available to keep your Teams application fresh and responsive, whether you're encountering syncing issues or display glitches. First, let's begin with the simplest method, just a basic refresh and resync. If you notice that your chats or files aren't updating as they should, you might see a banner at the top of your Teams app that prompts you with a refresh option. Simply clicking this will restart the application and refresh your data, helping to keep everything up to date. Additionally, if you're using Teams on certain mobile versions, you might find a refresh option in the menu at the top right corner of the app, usually designated by an ellipsis or three dots. This quick step can resolve minor hiccups in syncing and is a great first step if you're having issues. Now, sometimes a simple refresh isn't enough, especially if the app is behaving unpredictably. In such cases, performing a full application restart, or what we might call a hard refresh, may be necessary. If you're on a Windows device, go ahead and right-click the Teams icon in your system tray and select Quit to fully exit the application. On a Mac, you can use the Force Quit option accessible through the Apple menu, or by pressing Option plus Command plus ESC to bring up the Force Quit applications window. Once you've completely exited Teams, go ahead and reopen it. This often resolves more persistent syncing or display problems you might experience. But what if that doesn't help? Then, you might need to clear the app's cache. For Windows users, this involves going to the file location %appdata%/Microsoft/Teams and deleting the specific folder, which essentially removes outdated cached files that might be causing disruptions. Mac users, you'll want to track down and delete the relevant Teams cache folders as well. This should give the app a clean slate to work with when you relaunch it. Our last scenario involves refreshing a tab or embedded content within Teams. Perhaps you're viewing a web page or specific document, and it seems to be static or outdated. Unfortunately, there's no universal built-in force reload feature for all tabs, mainly due to the variability in how different tabs are implemented. However, a simple workaround is to switch away from the tab you're viewing and then back to it, which often triggers a reload of the content. This method is particularly handy when you're working with regularly updated tabs that might not refresh on their own. That's all for today's guide on refreshing Microsoft Teams. We hope these methods will help you have a smoother, more efficient experience with the app across all your devices. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials.